Hey guys, this is JustinTime 712, and today I'm going to show you me raging at Cat Mario. And for those of you for you guys to know, I'm not that much of a raging guy. If I get angry, I usually like close out of the window, but I could try and just keep doing this. So I'm gonna start right now. So we're gonna start on level 1 like usual. Yeah. Wow, I never made that jump before. No. Seal. Dang it, my game's lagging. No. Okay. Get up on there. What are you doing, Cat Mario? That's right. Now I know there's a block here. I just know it. Yeah. Got it. Whoa. Yeah. What? I hit the corner of a block. God dang it. 2 lives. 2 lives. That's good. Okay. Just... No! Oh, God. My head. Okay. I know that this has infinite lives, but I still don't want to die, because I'll end up getting... No. You're not gonna buck with me. Sheet. Yeah. Oh, God! No! 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 Oh, I see how I died now. I don't trust that mushroom. Can't use... Whoa. No! No! I was using you as a trampoline. No. God dang it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Go, go, go. Stupid seal. Yeah. Jump! Yeah. No! Yeah. Did nothing. Oh, God. Oh, God. No. Get up on there. Yeah. Finally, I got the flag. Okay. Wait. No. No. Oh, you did not just do that. Oh, my God. Save myself. Okay. So, there's the black. That how we do it in Just-in-Time Town. Nope, I shouldn't really say that. PewDiePie says that. Okay. PewDiePie, I know how you rate. Oh, God, no! No! God dang it! Okay. I'm gonna do this, guys. Okay. We've come too far to give up on this course. Even though I will give up soon, but yeah. Okay. Don't. No! No! I can't. Sorry you guys can't see this, but my Chromebook is dumb and won't let me record stuff. My brother's listening to YouTube Rewind. One of my friends thought that I would watch YouTube Rewind just because. No, I just screwed myself. But they thought that I loved it, YouTube Rewind just because Tobuscus was in it. No, it was really good. And I also had Pewds in it. Tobuscus isn't just my favorite YouTube person. Smosh, Pewds, Bart Baker, a lot of people. Here you go. Don't buck with me, Cloud. No, you're no, Senorita. Yeah. We've come too far to give up. But, yeah. Come on. I've come too far to be told I can't go to at least the laser. I get the laser. Come on, I know you guys are there. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa, got Mario. Don't kill yourself. Yeah. Okay. No. God dang it. I'm dead. I made it to the end and I'm gonna die. I just turned the sound up a little. Don't fuck with me. Yeah. No cloud. Don't you even try. We've come too far. Yeah. No! Well, I'm gonna end it here for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed seeing me raging, and I'll see you in the next episode. Either if it's a vlog, if it's Minecraft, if it's Cat Mario again. But I'll see you later, guys.